Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials so you can act immediately. Check App Store Connect metadata, bundle ID, and that the build number matches your Xcode archive. Once done, renew or replace expired certificates and provisioning profiles, then re-sign the app. Make sure screenshots and privacy text are complete and localized. Finally, increment the CF bundle version and export a release build. This prevents common rejection triggers and gets you into the actual diagnostics quickly. You now focus on the complex middle. Reproduce the reported issue exactly using the reviewer's steps, then symbolicate any crash logs to find stack traces. Run unit and UI tests on device and in test flight to validate fixes. Once you identify the faulty code or entitlement, patch it, update info. List privacy keys and remove prohibited APIs. When changes are ready, create a new archive and ensure the build passes static analysis before preparing the next submission. You finish by uploading the fixed build, filling export compliance, and adding clear reviewer notes that explain fixes and test steps. Once submitted, monitor the Resolution Center and respond promptly with logs, repro steps, and annotated screenshots. Make sure to set a phased release or manual release if you want control. If review stalls or answers are unclear, escalate using the app review board or attach a short demo video and device logs to speed resolution. This is the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.